God damn it. No, God damn it. Bro, I shot at him. Today I'm gonna play one of my favorite Soviet tanks, the KV-85. Ooh, critical hit. One more? Nice. Oh, there. I see something. Wait. That's only a hit. One more. You're dead, buddy. You're dead. Come on. Nice. I don't like this. Someone might do a back shot against me. And I don't like it at all. God damn it, where did that come from? I told you I'm gonna get a back shot. Okay? I'm trying to bait him. Okay, you shot. You finally took your shot. Wait. Ha ha ha. I see one. I hope this kills you. I hope this kills you. I hope this kills you. Nice. I think this is a spot where someone... Going. That's a critical hit. I got the driver on. I'm not gonna pick that. Pick it. Pick. Going. Haha. Just kidding. I'm not gonna pick that. I don't wanna die. Uh-oh, what the hell is that? That didn't penetrate, no. Bro. No, that is an enemy. I'm not gonna try to repeat that. I'm just gonna go it. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. I see someone. I definitely saw someone. Was non-penetration. What the heck? Hello ASU? Hello ASU? Ooh. We should have never done that though. Oh, there is someone in here. I'm just kidding, bro. Oh, I'm just kidding, bro. Okay. Wait, your gun's dead. I know I'm getting shot at, but... Is there someone in here? I think there is. No, God damn it. ISU 152. Is that a Chinese version again? I'm gonna say China always copy all of the vehicle around the world. Like, how is there an ISU and it is from China, right? China always copy it. God damn it. Sometimes I'm even confused if it's a Germany tank, a Soviet tank, an American tank, or a Japanese tank. It's just a Chinese tank. That Chinese again. Come on, man. Why you gotta do this to me? Oh. A Sherman. Didn't penetrate. My copula is kinda noise. I see someone. Oh no. Why can't I lower my gun? Bro, I cannot lower my gun anymore. Come on, bro. I cannot. I hate this. Wait, I'm guessing here. It didn't penetrate. I'm guessing here. Noise. And I see something. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? How didn't you see me? What the heck tank? What tank is that? It's my first time seeing that tank. Oh, there's so many cars, bro. There is so many cars. Why is there so many cars in here? Are they really not defending? That I should help them. Yeah, I should. Okay, I'm gonna drop. If I can see him. Now, yes, I can see. Can I reverse and no one saw that? Please, please, please. Please, no one shoot at me, please. I can actually hear someone. He's on my left somewhere. Now. Oh, there you are. You scared? Is that an enemy? Yes, that is an enemy. You don't see me? Yes. Going. Bro, I shot at him. I shot at him. Bro, everyone saw that. I shot at him. Did he die? He didn't die. What? What? Anyway, that's okay. I have... What? 10 kills? Damn, this is actually my first time getting 10 kills. Oh, well. Look who's in Berlin. The Red Army. What? That didn't kill him? You're lucky there was a tiger. If there wasn't a tiger, the tiger was not protecting you, sure. For sure. It's really a standout. Oh, I'm sorry. I see someone. Oh, that is a tiger. Nice. One more. There is one more, I believe. Is that him? Yeah, that is. And I miss. And my cannon barrel is damaged. Nor destroyed. He could push me because I don't have a barrel. Is he gonna push me? Is he willing to push me? Oh, my barrel again. What? Why do you keep on... What? If I'm correct, that is a French. Let me analyze it first. I believe that was a French that has an autoloader. I want to see it. I want to see it. France. Default. Tanks. I want the tanks. I think it's rank 5. Yeah. Bro. I'm sure this is this one, yeah, right? Hello there. Right. Nice. You just have to broke my truck. No, please. Oh, there are 2 of you. Nice. Let's see which one is stronger, you or me. Quality or quantity? Which one first? First, turn. Of course, me. I'm gonna one who will win. Bro, that scared me, bro. That literally scared me, bro. I'm behind of the animal lines. This is what I like. Please let me go first. No, please. Chinese again. Of course, Chinese. It's gonna be Chinese again, of course. And yes, thank you everyone for watching.